So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! Do you know what machine I was acting like? Yeah, an excavator! And today, you and I are gonna draw an excavator. All right, let's take the black and the orange marker and let's draw some shapes. First, let's draw a very long rectangle. Whoa, just like that. And then let's draw a square on top of that one. And a square inside the square for the window. That's where the operator sits. All right, and then a very long rectangle like this. Yeah, and a circle right here. Another rectangle right there. Yeah, and now we need to draw the bucket. Some teeth. Whoa, cool! Now we have the arm, the boom, and the bucket. And now we need to draw a very long oval with some small circles on the inside, just like that. Whoa, that was so much fun. And I love excavators. And if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!